Once again, we're going to compare the baseball swing to the golf swing using the same golfer. A couple of things you'll notice right away is that in the baseball swing, which is the one on the left, obviously, you can tell that the energy is going to be moving towards the target, not the ball, where you want the ball to end up. And if you look at the golf swing, it appears that the energy is focused on down to the ball rather than forward. Now, if we put these two together and we just slowly start moving forward in the swing, look at the right elbow, how it's moving right back down to get in front of that hip. See that? See that position right there? That's a solid position. Look how dead on plane the baseball bat would be, or the golf club. Whereas, as you notice in the picture on the right, the golfer swing, the right elbow was trailing the swing. Let's take a look again. It never really leads. Actually, it's behind the lead arm quite a bit. Now, if we could just get the position we're in on the baseball swing into the golf swing, you're going to be in a stronger, more powerful position. Plus, you can see how much additional club lag is being generated here because we're not trying to throw the head of the club at the ball. We're simply trying to move our hands through. So we see a nice position here. The next thing you'll notice here is that the strength in the legs, how there's been a real rotation to the hips. The legs are moving towards outfield, not towards the balls. We move in and look at the extension here that he's starting to get. Right elbow hasn't, now the right elbow straightens right there. And notice on the baseball side, all we're doing is, on the golfer side, all we're doing is sort of scooping the ball up off the ground. You can see that there's not a real thrust towards where we want the ball to go. Somehow we have to learn how to make that move that we're seeing in the baseball, where the hands extend, the right hand turns over, and match that to what we're doing here on the right. And you can see the left elbow is up on the right side, left elbow's down on the left side. The hands have rotated over on the left side. They haven't rotated at all on the right side. And this is one guy without any training in the baseball swing to speak of, but just automatically moves into a very powerful position. They both ended up about the same. So what we're going to try to do is try to get more and more people to feel like they're swinging with energy out towards the ultimate target, not down towards the golf ball.